Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening OBS and creating a new scene so sources stay organized. Add game capture for your title, then add mic and desktop audio so sound records. Once done, set the base, canvas, and output resolutions to match your monitor, and choose 60 or 30 FPS depending on performance. Also check GPU drivers and run OBS as administrator if capturing full screen. These first steps ensure you record the correct window with synced audio. Now you configure recording settings to balance quality and performance. Pick MKV to avoid corrupt files, then select X264 or your GPU encoder for lower CPU load. Set bitrate based on resolution, higher for 1080p 60, lower for 720p 30, and choose CBR or CRF depending on disk use. Make sure to enable a dedicated recording encoder if you stream simultaneously, and adjust process priority or use performance mode to reduce stutters. Test record a short clip to confirm settings before long sessions. You're ready to record. Hit your hotkey or the record button and play. Use replay buffer to capture instant highlights without long recordings. After finishing, remux MKV to MP4 in OBS for easier editing, and check audio sync in your test clip. If you encounter dropped frames or lag, reduce bitrate, switch to hardware encoding, lower in-game settings, or close background apps. One key troubleshooting tip: enable performance logging and check OBS stats. That tells you whether CPU, GPU, or network caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.